Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation the name of this variety of pizza that is traditional in Italian cuisine and that is prepared in 4 sections with diverse ingredients, with each section representing one season of the year. The name itself translates from Italian into 4 seasons. How do you go about pronouncing it in Italian? It would be said as Quattro Stagioni. Quattro meaning 4 in Italian, and stagioni meaning seasons. In English it'd be fine to say Quattro Stagioni. Quattro Stagioni pizza, for example. Quattro Stagioni. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce the names of all of the delicious produce that we love in Italian that you may want to use to top up your Quattro Stagioni pizza, as well as many classic pizza recipe names that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. See you there. Ciao ciao.